Okay, we're going to be doing some more work on trig graphs. Now, we looked at identifying number of cycles in 360 degrees and amplitude. So today we're going to look at something a bit different that's going to build upon that. Okay, so let's go for this one to get going. So we've got y equals a sine bx plus c. Now we know how to find a and b. A is the amplitude, that's half the total vertical height. B is the number of cycles in 360 degrees. Now what c is the thing has been shifted up vertically. So we're going to look at one of these just now and I'm going to explain to you how to do it. Okay, right. First of all, I'm going to say that this curve goes up to 5 and down to minus 1. Okay, and then we're going to say that there is one complete curve, two complete curves in 360. So if the curve goes up to 5 and down to minus 1, that's 6, half that to get the amplitude, and that means that the amplitude is 3. Okay, we can see that there is two complete curves in 360, so b is equal to 2. Now you get c, that's quite simple. So c just means that the thing has been shifted up or down. Now a curve should go up to its amplitude. It should reach its amplitude, so it should go up to 3, but you can see that it actually goes up to 5, therefore it's been shifted up by 2 units, and c is equal to 2. Okay, so let's go over that again. Right, so the amplitude is half the total vertical height. We know that from last day. The curve goes up to 5 and down to minus 1. That's a total height of 6, half that to get the amplitude, and the amplitude is 3. There is 2 complete curves in 360. B is equal to 2. Now C is whether the thing has been shifted up or down. That's the new thing. Well, the curve should go up to its amplitude. Its amplitude is 3. It should go up to 3, but it doesn't. As you can see, it goes up to 5. It's been shifted up 2 units, so C is equal to 2. Let's try an example 2. Okay, this time again, the curve is of the form a sine bx plus c, and we need to find a, b, and c. Okay, so the amplitude is the total vertical height halved. So the thing goes up to 7 and down to minus 1. That's a total height of 8. Half that to get the amplitude, and the amplitude then is 4. How many cycles in 360 degrees? Well, there's 2 complete cycles in 180, so that's 4 complete cycles in 360. C is the vertical shift. That's a new thing for today. So that's what the curve has been shifted up by. Now it should go up to its amplitude. It should go up to 4. A curve should go up to its amplitude unless it's been shifted up. It should go up to 4, but you can see it actually goes up to 7, so it's been shifted up 3. C is equal to 3. Let's try an example 3. Okay, so the curve is of the form y equals a sine bx plus c. And I need to identify a, b, and c. A is the amplitude, that's half the total vertical height. Well, the curve goes up to 2 and down to minus 6. That's a total height of 8, half that to the amplitude, and the amplitude is 4. B is the number of complete cycles in 360 degrees. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 complete cycles in 90. So how many is that in 360? Well, there's 4 lots of 90 in 360, so that's 1, 2, 3 times 4. B is equal to 12. The curve should go up to its amplitude. If it's not been vertically shifted, it should go up to 4. It doesn't go up to 4. It's been shifted down to 2, so it's been moved down by 2, so that's minus 2 this time. Okay, example 4. Okay, so again, we're looking for A, B, and C. Okay, A is the amplitude, half the total vertical height. The curve goes up to 1 and down to minus 9. That's 10, half that to get the amplitude. The amplitude is 5. There are 1, 2, 3 complete curves in 120. There's 3 120s in 3 60, so that's 3 threes, and B is equal to 9. C is the vertical shift. The curve should go up to its amplitude. It should go up to 5, which is its amplitude. It only goes up to 1. It's been shifted down, so that's a minus. It's been shifted down 4 units, that's minus 4. Okay, let's try an example 5 and some cosine curves this time. Okay, so let's go for this one to get going. Okay, A, B and C. Okay, A the amplitude. The curve goes up to 5 and down to minus 1. That's a total height of 6. Half that to get the amplitude. B is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 rather. B. How many complete cycles in 360 degrees? Well, there's 1, 2 complete cycles in 180 degrees. How many is that in 360? That's 4. What's C, the vertical shift? Well, the curve, again, I'll keep repeating this, the curve should go to its amplitude. It should go to 3, but you can see that it actually goes up to 5, so it's been moved up, so that's plus 2. Okay, example 6. Okay, A, B and C. Well, the curve goes down to the x-axis, so even though you don't see the number, that number is 0. So up to 8, down to 0, that's a total height of 8, half that to get the amplitude, and that's 4. B, number of cycles in 360 degrees, well, it's just 1 in 360, B is equal to 1. What's C? C is the vertical shift. The curve should go up to its amplitude, it should go up to 4, but it actually goes up to 8, so it's been shifted up 4 units plus 4. Okay. Next one. The curve goes up to 2, goes down to minus 6, that's a total height of 8, half that to the amplitude. The amplitude is 4b. Number of complete cycles in 360 degrees, well, there's 1, 2, 3 complete cycles in 180. How many is that in 360? Well, we need to double that to get 6. C, what's the vertical shift? The curve should go up to its amplitude, it should go up to 4, it only goes up to 2, it's been moved down, that's minus 2 units. Okay, one more. The curve goes up to 3, down to minus 13. That's a total height of 16. Half that to get amplitude. A is equal to 5. B, number of complete cycles in 360. 1, 2. There's 3 and 90. 3 and 90. So how many 90s in 360? That's 4. So 4 threes are 12. What about C? That's the vertical shift. Okay, the curve should go up to its amplitude, it should go up to 5, it only goes up to 3, it's been moved down 2 units, C is equal to minus 2. Okay, so you're going to try these ones. First one, curve goes up to 5, down to minus 1, and there's 90, up to 1, down to minus 5, that's 360, up to 9, down to minus 1, that's 180, up to 2, down to minus 8, and that's 90. So have a go at those 4 for tomorrow, and we'll pick that up tomorrow.